Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime video. Today's video, I'm going to give you an easy Hackintosh EFI guide that works on a computer or laptop. No matter what macOS version you want to install, this video will make it simple and beginner-friendly. Okay, let's get started. If this is your first time running OpenCore Simplify, you need to install Python. Since I don't have it on this computer, I will let it download and install now. Go to download and you'll find these two files, OpenCore Simplify and Hardware Sniffer. Now we'll have first Hardware Sniffer. Double tap on it. Wait a few seconds to gather files. Now you can see Hardware Sniper has gathered every single detail of my system. Type Team. Hit on the Enter key. Now type H, hit on the Enter key, now again. Press Enter to continue. Type A, hit here on the Enter key, now again. Type A, hit here on the Enter key. Now you can see everything is done. Click on Continue and close it. Extract the OpenCore Simplify file. Now it's done. And now go to OpenCore Simplify tool. Again, here you'll find the tool. Right-click on it. Run as administrator. Welcome to the main menu. To run the Hardware Sniffer, press 1 and then Enter. This will download and execute the program on your computer, which will detect all hardware components and determine if your system is capable of running macOS. Press E, then hit Enter on your keyboard to start analyzing. This is the summary report for my desktop, indicating whether the hardware can run macOS. If you see any red indicators, especially for the GPU or processor, it means your machine cannot run macOS. For this desktop, the hardware is compatible and can support macOS up to the Tahoe version. Press Enter to continue. I will be installing macOS Sequoia. Type 24, then press Enter. So far, we are done with number 1 and 2. Let's skip 3 and 4 since it's already pre-configured. Press 5, then Enter for customization of the SM BIOS. Select from numbers 73, 74, 77, then press Enter afterwards. We are now ready to build the OpenCore EFI folder. Press 6, then Enter. This will proceed to download the necessary texts or drivers, as well as the OpenCore related configurations. When you're on this window that asks to just press Yes, then Enter. Wait few seconds to complete the process. Now you can see it's done. And now here you'll have to select your audio layout. And you can see by default the layout is 11. You can also change as per your requirements. So I'm typing 11 and hitting Enter key. USB mapping type Agree, so I'm typing Agree and hitting Enter key. And here is your fresh EFI folder that you can use to run the install media. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like on this video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and please make sure to subscribe.